Well, we're seeing relatively calm conditions here in central Illinois. However, to our north and to our west, we're seeing a couple areas of very strong storms. Again, we have one to our south here, and then we have also one to our north. We're seeing severe thunderstorm warnings and even the occasional tornado warning. And these storms are expected to move their way into our area throughout the overnight hours. However, they won't really be as severe, and I'll get more on that in just a second. Here's that low pressure, and it's going to slowly start to scoot its way towards central Illinois. Now, if you're worried about rain tomorrow, I would not expect to see much in the way of it during the day. For tonight, it's going to be a comfortable evening out there. We're going to see temperatures in the mid-50s, which is cooler than what we would normally see. I don't think it's going to get as cold as last night. We hit 47 degrees, which was close to our record value for this time of year. Just by 1 degree, we almost broke that record. Looks like we could see a decent amount of rain out of that and a nice break from the heat and humidity that we're seeing. But as I mentioned, we have to get through Wednesday. And then we do get a little bit of a break for Saturday and Sunday. So it looks like our 4th of July festivities around this area do look nice for now. And then we'll see another round developing in the afternoon, and some of these could actually be on the strong to severe side. So that's why the Storm Prediction Center has issued a slight risk for our area. That's about a 2 out of 5 on the scale. So we're not expecting widespread severe weather out of this system. However, some of them in the afternoon could be on the strong severe side with damaging winds and maybe some marginally severe hail. We're talking muggy conditions and storms tonight coming up at 10 p.m. Looks like oppressive levels for Thursday and Friday. Then we dip a little bit as we do get some cooler and drier air here for our weekend. But then we bring it right back up to the beginning of the week. So 4th of July looks like it's going to be humid. Look at how nice Friday and Saturday are. Really not much of a heat index on these days. But then unfortunately we start to bring that weather that we've been seeing the last couple days back into central Illinois. Look at that for Wednesday, 105 already. Definitely out west, up to about 2 inches of rain is expected. So that's very good news for those farmers. They need a little bit of water for their crops. But unfortunately, there is a little bit of a side effect to that as we do see the possibility of some strong to severe storms. We don't see the action really moving in until about after midnight, so western counties will see it first, and then it'll quickly move across our area, but mainly over the overnight hours while most of us are sleeping. Well, I hope you're ready for this weekend, because I certainly am, as it looks like it's going to be very beautiful across central Illinois. Check out these temperatures, low 80s, mostly sunny skies. Get outside if you can. I'll have more on that coming up at 10. We're taking a look at our satellite and radar currently right now. Not too much going on. We do see a few high clouds streaming in from the north, but definitely with the clear skies and the beautiful temperatures, it's been an absolutely beautiful day across our area. And just for the general Midwest region, it's not going to really get all that hot. It's not anything that we're not used to around here in central Illinois. So temperatures right now, though, are absolutely beautiful. Well, rain and storms are in our forecast tonight. It looks like we could get a pretty decent amount of rain, especially for our southwest counties. I'll have more on that on Future Track coming up at 10 p.m. Changes are on the way for central Illinois, thankfully in the form of a cold front. So that's going to start moving its way into our area starting later tonight. This will eventually scoot across our area, and this will be the focus for some shower and thunderstorm activity heading into Thursday morning into the afternoon and evening. Well, I hope you got out and took advantage of this beautiful weather we're experiencing across central Illinois. Take a look at these temperatures, not bad at all. A nice 73 degrees here in Champaign, a little bit warmer out west, Springfield at 77. You notice there are a few clouds. They're not going to really do much. We're not going to see any rain, just enough clouds there to give us a very nice sunset heading into the next couple hours. Winds across the area are fairly light. We're seeing generally under 10 miles an hour. So couple that with the nice temperatures, it's a beautiful evening out there. We'll continue to see these conditions last through at least 8, 9, and 10 p.m. Drop to around 64 degrees. And as you head out the door tomorrow, we will be at around 56. I'll have my full forecast coming up in just a second. Well, we braved another hot and humid day across central Illinois today, and that's still the case right now heading into this evening. We're still seeing those temperatures fairly warm, especially down to our southwest where they're almost near the 90 mark still at this hour. 83 here though in Champaign, not too bad, but when you factor in the feel-like temperature with all that humidity around that we have in the air, it feels a lot warmer than that. 100 degrees in Lincoln, 101 in Springfield, so definitely feels very hot, very humid. So that's why the National Weather Service has issued a heat advisory for those counties in the orange. That expires through 8 p.m. tonight, as we do have some relief in our forecast from the showers and thunderstorms that are expected to make their way into our area. As you notice too, we do have a flash flood watch that's just out of our area that used to cover us, but it doesn't look like we're going to get as much rain as we thought a couple days ago. But that doesn't mean we're not going to see anything. We are actually seeing some storms forming out to our west, and they haven't really hit us quite yet. However, you see Peoria, Galesburg, they are over there right now, and they are slowly starting to work their way eastward into our area. Some of these could be on the strong to to severe side throughout the evening, as this is just the first of multiple waves we're expecting to see out of this low pressure system that's off to our northwest. So let's take a larger look at that. We're seeing multiple areas of showers and thunderstorms just across the Midwest in general, and that is due to a low pressure center that is slowly working its way into central Illinois, and that will be over us later tonight into tomorrow morning, just continuing those chances for scattered showers and thunderstorms during that period. But thankfully, after this round of showers and thunderstorms is over, a nice high pressure system will settle into our area, bringing cooler temperatures and just drier air overall. So definitely a relief from the weather that we've been seeing just the last few weeks, the hot and humid, brutal weather. So definitely a nice night. But we just got to get through tonight first. Tonight's going to be fairly stormy. It's going to be more warm and muggy. Low temperature of 73 is expected. On and off showers and thunderstorms continuing throughout the night and also carrying over into tomorrow too. We won't really be as hot as what we've been seeing. 85 here in Champaign, 80s across the board. So it's just going to be, even though it's going to be raining across the area, it's still going to be on the warmer side. However, it won't be too bad. So future track, let's take a closer look at our area. So we're seeing that first wave that I just mentioned. It's going to start to move into our area at around midnight tonight. We'll start to see them in our western counties first. Then they'll slowly track east across most of the area by about 3 a.m. So that's when you'll start to hear the rain and thunder here in Champaign. As you can see, most areas are under these thunderstorms at this hour, and then it will slowly, that wave will move out of our area, and we'll get another round at about 7 o'clock in the morning, and that just continues throughout the day. So going to be just a soggy, gloomy day for our Thursday, although it will be warm. Check out these temperatures still in the 80s, so definitely it's going to be warm and just humid. And then after that system moves out of the way, it's going to be nice. That's when we'll start to see the nice temperatures we are expecting to see over the next few days. So thankfully, it looks like it's going to be a beneficial rainfall out of this system. It looks like the counties in the southern portions have the highest chance of seeing beneficial rainfall. We don't really need to see all that much up near the Watsika, Pontiac areas. They've just seen a lot of rainfall over the last few weeks, but definitely it's raining in the right spots. So just got to get through this day. If you don't like this weather, just got to get through Thursday, and then look at how beautiful the weekend is going into Saturday, Sunday. Just low 80s across the board, just fairly consistent forecast. And if you can get outside, take advantage of it, I would, as it just can't get any better for July.